Hey everyone, good morning. So today I've got four hand picks for you, and today's variety, as you can see, is in this super gorgeous ikat cotton suit sets. Now these have come with a very beautiful difference. Earlier, if you remember, I've always had these ikats teamed with kota dupattas. I've always had kota doria dupattas, and recently I had a few black and whites which had tepchi kota and patchwork dupatta. So this time, this is first time in Saki such a variety is coming in, and I'm absolutely loving the combination and also the styling. So let's quickly jump into each of these sets. The first one that you see here is a lovely maroonish. It's a maroon ikat. Most of the prints and colors of ikat cotton tops you are very familiar with, so I don't have to go much into it. It's an ikat cotton top. You know very well how the thickness of the fabric is. You can go away without lining. With lining also it will look very nice. The first one is in a maroon, and you can see a light reddish tinge combination with this kind of designing. This is how your top will come. You will be stitching it like this. Now the combination here, what I really like about this particular variety is the dupatta. Now here I have this super gorgeous chiffon bandhani printed dupatta, and that's the highlight of the whole set. Here I have this particular ikat set in maroon teamed with a black and a maroon bandhani style soft chiffon dupatta. Very gorgeous dupatta. The bottom here is black. So the first set that I have for you guys is in this maroon and black combination. So the I think the color in the video is lightly reddish. No, it's not reddish, it's more of a maroon shade. It's a beautiful maroon on the top, and the dupatta, main color of the dupatta is in black and white, and bottom is in soft cotton black bottom, which is very, I think it's almost like a rayonish cotton, so very apt to stitch a salwar bottom or cigar or parallels or whatever of your choice. So this is your first set. The dupatta is very pretty. You can team it up with your other if you have a plain maroon top or a black top or a white top, it's going to be so pretty. So that's your first combination in maroon and black. Very gorgeous piece. The second one is too pretty. It's so lively, it's so fresh. It's in that beautiful leaf green shade with yellow and white combination. This is your top. The combination bottom is in golden yellow. It's more of an orangish tinge bottom, and the dupatta again in chiffon bandhani style dupatta, which has this beautiful combination of this orange yellow and beautiful green. And you can also see the dupatta ends have these beautiful style of scalloping. I think it's just naturally that way around. Very gorgeous color combination. As you can see, so lively, so fresh, so summery, and very different when it comes to this ikat styling. So those of you who really like ikats, and if you're looking at a very comfortable wear, and many of you wanted to have dupattas which are in chiffon, so I guess this is definitely going to be such a beautiful add-on, because this is chiffon, and this is also in this beautiful new trend of bandhani, and so absolutely comfortable wear, something different in trend, and also easy to wear. So that's the green and yellowish orange. The third one is in a beautiful blue and a very gorgeous tone of a reddish pink. It's a beautiful reddish pink combination. Absolutely love the color. Now if you ask me to pick from one of these four combinations, it's going to be a tough job, because I really like each of the combination is so different and so beautiful. Now this one, as you can see, the color of the dupatta is so rich, it's so beautiful. That blue and pink combination, I don't think I have to give you in detail. So I hope you are familiar with this fabric, chiffon and bandhani style dupatta with bottom and a very pretty blue ikat cotton top. So gorgeous. So that's the third one, and the last one is again in gray and a beautiful blue. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. It's in a blue and a gray combination with a very pretty cotton silk bottom. The top, as you can see, is in gray, and the combination is in blue and gray. Oh, this is really really pretty, guys. I mean, it's very pretty. These are very casual wear sets, okay? You know that because this is in ikat. It's a very casual wear set, but you saw it for yourself. It's come up in such a beautiful variety, and it is also having such beautiful combinations, and so fresh, so summery, and a very very beautiful add-on to your wardrobe. If you would like to, if you are a ikat person, if you are a cotton person, if you are a person who loves chiffon shawls with a difference, so this is for you. And I guess this will also make for a good gift. I think it's something very pretty and nice to gift someone, isn't it? So I hope you really like this. I will be posting the pictures separately. You guys can take a look at them in detail and get back to me on WhatsApp to know the price and to do the booking. So thank you guys. Take care.